Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be about the recent changes that have been made to the UHRS. So the old marketplace, if you have been working in UHRS, you must be knowing it is disabled from yesterday. So from now on, we'll be working on the new marketplace, and many people are facing problem in understanding how things work in the new marketplace. So I'll be going through the entire process, and I'll be telling you a few tips of how you can manage all the heat tabs. So yeah, let's get straight in the video. So guys, as you can see, I am currently in my new marketplace dashboard, and the this is the screen. You can see I will be blurring out a lot of things which is not applicable as per the UHRS guidelines and as per the UHRS NDA. So all the things that you will be seeing is what the public can see, right? So yeah, I'll be explaining this as simply as possible so that you all can understand and work in it. Okay, before that I want you to do one thing. Please everyone try to do this. You can see this smiley icon. Everyone click on this icon. After you click on this, you'll see this general feedback. You can summarize your feedback. Just click on this sad button and write that we don't like the new marketplace. Please give us back the old marketplace, right? Please do write that and click on submit, right? I have done it multiple times today, and please, if we'll all send that, it might it might be very huge for them and they might bring it back. So yeah, please give the feedback to them, right? And yeah, let me go through now, tell you what all things are important to know, and what all things that I use in my current settings. Okay, so this is the normal view that you will see. This search, relevance, text annotation, other, all these are the normal, the first screen that you'll see when you come to the new marketplace, right? Now I'll be blurring out all the hit app names because that is not permittable as per the users guidelines. What you need to do is, what you need to understand is, you'll have to click this all, right? Click on this all. Okay, after you click on all, you will be seeing all the hit tabs in this grid view. Okay, I'll tell you to do this on the basis of list. Okay, so you'll see one grid and list. Click on list. So once you click on list, you will be seeing it in a list view, and the list view is far better than grid view. It looks better. You will then click on hits, right? Just click on this hits, and it will sort on the basis of hits. So now you can see which are the hits that have the highest, that are presently, that are currently highest in number. So you can do as per your want, and this is something that will help you in doing particular tasks, right? So yeah, make sure you sort on the basis of hits, and you make it as a list view. This is one thing I'd like to highlight to everyone. This will make things clear. And to open any hit tab to train, so any hit tab that you have not done will show a train option, right? So you can click on train. So it will tell you to train on train, just like the previously. After training, it will tell you to qualify, and then you can start the hit tab, right? So the hit tabs that you have already qualified will show over here, right? And so from here you can also download the guidelines. The guidelines option is just right here, right? And you can also bookmark. If you like the hit tab, just bookmark it, so that later you can directly go to that hit tab, right? How you can go to that hit tab? Just click on this filter option, right? And you can see bookmarked. So any all the hit tabs that you have bookmarked will come over here. And there are 3 4 options over here. I'll say the category option is useless for me. Don't use it. If you understood it clearly, then use it. Otherwise it is of no use, right? Better to use filter option. It has all the new, recently worked, bookmarked, qualified. So qualified, you can also use qualified, so it will show only the hit tabs that you have qualified. So if I'll click on qualified, you see all the hit tabs that I have been qualified for is is now being shown to me, right? So yeah, that is all the things you can do with the filter option, and this is with the sort option. That is just what you can do from here. You can just click this hits, and it will sort on the basis of hits. So that is what this sort option is. So filter and sort, use them, but I will not suggest to use this category option, right? After this, I'll tell you about the report section, how you can see your accuracy, how you can see the number of hits that you did, and all those things, right? But I'll also like to tell you about a small hack that is currently working. You can still view your report as per the old marketplace, right? So in the old marketplace, the layout of the old marketplace, you can still view your all the hit types as per the older version, right? So I'll give I'll just tell you the link over here, but I'll not give it in the description, because that is something I think which will be against their terms and conditions. So I'll just tell you, right? So the website link is, so guys, I just put it here. You can just see over here, right? It is prod.uhrs.playmation.com/judge/view/my report. So this is the link you all should follow. Once you follow this, you will be taken to the old marketplace, right? But I don't know how longer this will be there. Okay, they might not have disabled this, but they will disable it, because they will want everything to be in the new format, right? So this is still working. If you just click on enter, it will take you to the old marketplace, right? Let me show it to you. I have loading, the page is now loading, right? So you can see now the old marketplace is now loading, right? You can see everything over here in the old marketplace. So yeah, this is the old marketplace. So you can still view your report in old marketplace, but it can go soon, right? It can go very soon. So so I will recommend you to learn the new marketplace, right? So let's get straight to the report in the new marketplace. Okay, so in the new marketplace, just click on report. So once you click on report, you will be seeing all these hit tabs that you did, but there is a difference in the new marketplace and old marketplace. I like to highlight that point. You will not see judgment valid. Okay, in the new marketplace, it will not show you the judgment valid that was being shown in the old marketplace. So you have to be careful with that. Although you will be still seeing your spam accuracy. So that is what matters. Spam accuracy is the most important thing in UHRS, and not the judgment valid. So even if it is not shown, please don't get worried about it, right? Always check how much is your spam accuracy. Try to maintain the spam accuracy. And I'll tell you one thing. Spam accuracy, if you have been following the old marketplace, it was always showing in point, in decimals, right? So 0 0.8, 0 0.9, like that it was showing. Now in here, it will show you with percentage, right? So what percentage means is, it is just multiplying it into 100. So if the spam accuracy was 0 0.9 in the old marketplace, it will be 90% over here, right? So this is just a small difference between the old marketplace and the new marketplace, right? That is all about it. And if you want to see the report on for the last month, just click on these dates, okay, and select the range. Suppose I want to see from March 1, I'll click March 1, and for this I'll click March 27, and it will provide me the report, right? It will provide me the report for the last 1 month. So right, that is for that is all about our UHRS report, right? And if you want, you can also sort just like the previous report. Just click on any of the columns, and it will sort on basis based on that, right? So yeah, that is all about you can say that is all about the report section. And I hope, guys, this will help you a little, as I know the old marketplace was the best thing. But yeah, remember one thing: in the marketplace, always go to all, and after that click on list view, right? And because the list view is very fresh, it is a good looking thing. You can always see all the hit tabs in a single view. But in the grid view, it is a little difficult, right? So I'll recommend using the list view for now. And always sort on the basis of hits. or anything you want on your comfort zone, right? So I like the hits, based on hits, so I always sort on the basis of that. And yes, if you want, you can still use the old marketplace, right? And please guys, don't forget to send a feedback to the UHRS team by clicking the smiley button. Give a feedback, right? So that they will so that if they will get a lot of requests, they will might consider bringing back the old one, right? So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'll be back with the next video very soon. And yes, about the previous video giveaway winners, it will be declared in the next video, as this video was based on an emergency request. And yes, so the next video will contain all the winners of the previous video, right? So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope we'll soon see the old marketplace. But yes, if we don't see, don't lose hope, and start working on the new marketplace, because yes, anyways we have to adjust ourselves, right? So yeah, all the best everyone guys. Till the next time, bye guys, and happy earning.